This is how you get your headlights from looking like this to looking like this in a professional way. What's going on, everybody? Today we're working on the 400s. Right now we are refreshing the headlights. Now there are a lot of different ways to do this. I want to say that the most common one is you sand it and then you polish it, which it works. Yeah, it's fine, but it's probably not the best one. Second option is you sand it and then you apply clear coat on top. I think that you still need to polish it after that. That also works, but it's a little bit more complicated. So today I'm gonna show you a way that I learned very recently. First things first, you need this kit. It doesn't have a brand or nothing. You can also get them from Amazon. I think they're like $40 to $80. You got sanding paper, sanding block, you got electrical connection, another electrical connection. You have a cup, a couple of different leads, and you get this liquid for headlight renovation, quick dry, high brightness. This is the trick. So you're supposed to put that fluid in the cup gets warmed, and once the cup gets warm, I don't know if you can see, but there's steam coming out of there because this gets hot and then the fluid steams. So first of all, you clean the headlights really good, then you sand them. Depending on how bad your headlights are, you probably maybe want to start all the way down to 600. In my case, they were not terrible, so I started with 1200, and that's it. All I did was 1200 and straight to that thing. So first you clean them, then you sand it, and then you apply the steam. Once you have them sanded, you clean them really well again, and then with the steam, this thing works like if it was magic. It's a little tricky to get it going. I think that I need to put a little bit more fluid in this. Alright, so now that I've put more fluid in it, just letting it heat up. And there we go. So yeah, that's the whole process. That's everything that you need to do. It is very simple, it is very quick, it is very efficient. I think that you can buy the liquid by itself, like once you run out of the fluid. because the liquid is the main important thing. Sanding paper, you can get it everywhere, and once you have the cup, you're good to go. The way that this works, like I said, is the cup gets hot, and then once the fluid touches the walls, that's why you see me stirring it, so that the fluid catches on the walls, and it gets evaporated or burned, and that steam, you let it kind of like pour onto the headlight. How you get your headlights from looking like this to looking like this in a professional way. Like, this is supposed to last really long. On top of that, it's gonna make it look way better than polishing or just sanding would have done. So, yep. Frijolito. Frijolito quiere saludar. Quiere saludar a los de YouTube. Eso, diles hola. Diles que se suscriban, que le den like. Alright, so this is the final product. It came out really, really, really nice. I just need to wash the car. But that is looking sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet.